Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In the last video, you guys might have seen that my DJI Mini 2 crashed in water and was completely dead. I was unable to turn on my DJI Mini 2. So very quickly, I'll be getting my DJI Mini 2 repaired and I'll post a video on it, how I got it repaired and what is the status of my DJI Mini 2. For now, I have purchased new Pro, that is DJI Mini 3 Pro with the firmware kit plus. So here, the DJI Mini 3 Pro comes with the smart RC and the firmware kit that we have is of 47-minute battery. So we'll be unboxing these two boxes and we'll be checking out what all we get with this particular kit. I'll also be letting you know guys about the price that I have paid to get this DJI Mini 3 Pro in India. So without wasting much of the time, let's quickly get into the video guys. So guys, here we have a sealed pack of DJI Mini 3 Pro and this is completely sealed from all rounds, you can see on the screen now. And we also have Fly More Kit Plus. This box is also completely sealed. I haven't unboxed it so far. So let's quickly take the cutter and start unboxing with the DJI Mini 3 Pro box. So we took off the wrapper from this box. Now let's take off this badge. So here we go. Here is our first impression of our DJI Mini 3 Pro and this comes with a good wrapping. So guys, you can see here we have the DJI Mini 3 Pro in our hands and this is where we get down sensors, front sensors. The propeller size of this drone is quite bigger when compared to the DJI Mini 2 and the build quality is same as of DJI Mini 2. Here on the battery part we can see the branding of 249 grams. So this is the drone that we get in this small box. So let's keep this apart and take off the other part. So we also get a smart controller. I have purchased the smart controller. We also get the option to purchase a normal RCN one, but I have purchased the smart controller. So if you guys ask me why I went with the smart controller kit, because in smart controller we have to apply the hack only one time, then after we can fly our drone more than 120 meters. But in the normal RCN one we have to apply the hack all the time when we fly our drone. So apart from this drone and smart controller, we also get extra propellers with screwdrivers and one C2C type cable. And we get few manuals in the box. So if you guys purchase only standalone pack, then you are going to get this small box where you'll find drone with the only one battery which gives a backup of 30 minutes. With that you'll also find one smart RC and you get a few extra accessories as a pair of propellers, one C2C type cable, one screwdriver to change these propellers. So if you guys ask me what is the current running price of this standalone pack in India, then when I inquired most of the dealers in Bangalore, Pune, so based on the prices, the average price was around 90,000 rupees that we get in India, only the standalone pack. So now let's quickly unbox the Fly More Kit Plus. So there are two kits guys, one is a Fly More Kit and another one is Fly More Kit Plus. In the Fly More Kit you get two extra 30 minutes batteries, but in the Plus kit you get two extra batteries which gives a backup of 47 minutes. The batteries are having a better capacity. And as you can see on the screen, the bag is too good. When we compare it with the DJI Mini 2 bag, looks like quality of the bag is better when compared to DJI Mini 2 bag. And when we open and check out what is inside the bag, we get few manuals. So here are the few manuals where we find the guide to use these batteries. And in this wrapper we get two extra batteries which give the backup of 47 minutes. So these are the two extra batteries which come with 3850 mAh, and this Fly More Kit Plus individually cost you around 26,500 rupees in India. So guys, these are the things that we get in these two box. This is a DJI Mini 3 Pro which was a sealed pack, and this is a DJI Mini 3 Pro Fly More Kit Plus. Just to summarize what all we get in this box. So in this small box we get a DJI Mini 3 Pro drone with a default battery which comes with a 30 minutes of backup, and we get a smart RC with a clean display, and which is very good. And we also get two pairs of propellers, and we get C2C type cable, and to change these propellers we get a screwdriver in it, and we get few manuals. So if you ask me what do we get in this Fly More Kit Plus, so in Fly More Kit Plus we get two extra batteries with 47 minutes of backup, and we get 4 more pairs of propellers, and we get one C2 USB cable to charge the drone batteries. We don't get any adapter to charge these batteries. We have to use our own. I have DJI adapter which is of 18 watt. I can provide you the link in the description. You can purchase that adapter to charge these batteries. So guys, I have purchased this complete set in India itself from the local dealers, and I have got this DJI Mini 3 Pro in India at the price of 1,10,000 rupees. I feel that the price is quite adequate, and we have got a good deal to purchase the DJI Mini 3 Pro in India. So if you guys ask me what is the price difference when we buy this DJI Mini 3 Pro in US or other countries, and if we buy the DJI Mini 3 Pro in India. So in US you get this DJI Mini 3 Pro with Fly More Kit Plus at the price of 95,000 to 97,000 rupees, and in India you get the same drone for 1,10,000 rupees. So somewhere you are paying 12 to 15,000 rupees extra, but I feel that paying 10 to 15,000 rupees extra is a good decision rather than taking the risk and getting this drone from other countries. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.